Pupunta ako sa city ngayon. I've been there many times. Pero this is the first time I'm catching the train going to the city by myself. So naisip ko na i-vlog yun. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari sa adventures natin today. Gusto ko rin matest yung sarili ko kung kaya ko bang i-navigate yung city on foot. Kung mahanap ko ba yung church na lagi namin pinupuntahan or let's see. Dito na tayo sa train ngayon.
Customers are reminded the exit buttons are located in the middle of the doors. Central Station. Mind the gap.
Guys, sobrang tapang ko. Hindi ako dumaan sa normal na dinadaanan namin. So, this is a totally different way. Pero ang ganda, tingnan niyo guys. I'm ready to get lost in the city today. So, let's go! Alam niyo ba guys, yung you don't really know where you're going. Pero kasaya mo lang na naglalakad ka lang and just soaking in yung ganda na nakakita ko dito sa city. Guys, meron pa palang isang church dito. Ayan o. Pag napagod na ako maglakad dito, lilipat naman ako sa kabilang street. Pero tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda talaga. Meron akong kasama dito. Kasama ko yung ating Insta360 Go Ultra and I think I've had enough of this side. Maglakad naman tayo papunta doon. Guys, yung buildings na yun, they look familiar. Feeling ko kapag tumawid ako dito, tatawid tayo dyan. Feeling ko pag bumaba ako dun sa steps na yun, it's going to take me to the church where we normally go. Feeling ko lang. So, yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. Tatawid tayo dito sa daan na to. Okay, let's go! Yan yung sinasabi ko guys. Feeling ko kapag bumaba ako dito, it's going to take me doon sa church. Let me see. Tignan natin. It looks familiar. Guys, nilalagay ko na to sa tripod. Hindi tayo mahihiya for today's video dahil walang magpipicture sa atin. So, picturean natin ang ating sarili. Wait. Picture. Oh, I like it. Very much so. Ganda. Picture. Hindi pala ako kita. Hindi ako kita pag malayo. Wait. Yan. Guys, turista tayo for today's video. Kaya hindi tayo mahihiya kung tayo ay mag-picture. I want to have a picture here. But hey, picture. Guys, mahirap palang maging solo traveler. Mahirap palang maging solo traveler. Guys, hindi ako nagbibiro. Mahirap pala maging solo traveler. Guys, sobrang nakakapagod. Pero makapal ang face natin for today's video. Oh, sorry. Napapagod na ako, guys. Napapagod na ako. Tingnan nyo, ang daming dumadaan. Ayun guys, sabi ko, I'm going to be a tourist for a day dito sa city. Pero ang nangyari pala sa akin na yung peg ng mga solo traveler. Wherein, wala talagang mga magpipicture sa inyo. Tignan nyo to guys. Uy, ang taba ng puno. Ang taba ng puno. I want to hug that tree. Teka. Guys, ang saya dito. Everybody minds their own business. So, okay lang na wala. Guys, sobrang dami ko ng picture. Sa ngayon, nagugutom na talaga ako guys. Hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast. Pero, nauna pa yung picture. Okay na rin yan. Alam nyo guys, akala nyo mag-isa lang ako dito. Maraming tao dito. Tingnan nyo. But everyone just minds their own business and it's good. Guys, maglalakad lang tayo na maglalakad. Not even know where we're going. Ang alam ko lang ngayon guys, nagugutom ako. So, I want to get something to eat. I don't know if I'm going there. Tignan niyo yung mga tumatawid guys. I don't know if I should go there or keep exploring. Maybe I should go. Tumawid na rin tayo kasi gutom na ako. I want to try and get something to eat. Oh, tatakbo tayo. Tatakbo ang person. Gutom na ako kasi guys. Gutom na ako. Alam ko dito sa Queens Plaza. My son used to work here. Alam ko, meron ditong food court. So, maghanap tayo ng food court. Mahirap, guys. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin ko. But maybe, maganda nga mag-food court na lang kasi mag-isa lang ako, guys. So, I think it's better mag-food court. Hanap tayong pagkain dito sa baba. Guys, nagpunta pala kami dito last time ka. Hindi ko lang sure kung ano yung gusto kong kainin. Food court nila dito. Punong-puno at mainit ha. In fairness, mainit. Right now guys, I already know where I am. Kasi nga ito yung Queens Plaza. So pagkakayat ko dito may mga coffee shop din sa taas. Gutom ako pero parang ayoko dito kasi sobrang daming tao. Kaya tayo dun sa taas. Ayan guys. Alam ko na kung nasaan ako. Ito yung palatandaan ko kasi CJ, my son, used to work here. And pag nandun kami sa restaurant nila, ito yung view namin. Kita niyo yung taas na yan. Yan yung view namin. Ayan, sobrang busy dito guys. Sobrang daming tao. Pero nagugutom na ako, so hanap tayo ng pagkain. Hindi ako makapag-decide kung saan ko gusto kumain. Sa lakad-lakad lang tayo hanggang makakita tayo ng makakainan. Ayan you guys, it's a nice day. So guys, ngayon ko lang na-realize, yun pala mga pinuntahan natin. Pinapakita ko sa inyo, pero I can't even tell you kung ano yung lugar na yun. Basta maganda. Okay na yun. Hindi kasi ako prepared. Hindi pa rin tayo nakakahanap ng makakainan natin. Parang ang nahanap na naman natin ay pagpipicture-picturean natin. Minsan talaga, may mga bagay na pinagpapaliban natin, mga ganon. Kahit gusto natin gawin, tapos ang ending gagawin din naman natin. Ay nako guys, pag meron kayong mga ganong gawin nyo na, tingnan nyo ako. Uy, ang ganda pala dito. Tignan nyo ako, ang tagal ko nang gustong pumunta dito guys, mag-isa. But, kasi minsan tinatamad ako pag day off ko and lumalabas lang talaga ako kapag yung mga friends ko niyayaya ako dito. Pero ngayon talaga no regrets and I think I'm going to do it again. Kasi guys, ang ganda dito. Mag-picture tayo ulit. Hello, Superman! Say hi!
Hello!
Tingnan niyo naman yung dala-dala. Ito ang aking secret weapon para makapag-selfie. And I'm just going to get coffee because it's a nice surprise. I'm going to be meeting up with my son dito sa city. Sabi ko we will have lunch together. So hihintayin ko siya dito ngayon. This is such a good day for me. Na-miss ko din yung bata. So, ayan guys, hahanap muna ako ng kape kasi ang totoo niyan, gutom na talaga ako. Pero pag kumain ako ngayon, hindi na ako makakain mamaya pag lunch namin. So, I'm going to just try and get coffee. Hindi lang kasi si Jen ang dami. Hey! There he is! How are you?
I'm good, man. How are you? Christina says hello.
Who?
Christina.
Where is she?
Oh, she's at home.
I got you something.
Come me something.
Yep, we're going to have lunch. I didn't know I'm going to see. Standing there and
You move fast, that's for sure. Yeah, it's near the botanical gardens. Have you been there?
I think you took me there, didn't you?
This place, La Luca. I come here for breakfast sometimes before I start in the morning.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
I told you I was going to get coffee, but I ended up not getting coffee because I got too distracted taking pictures.
I thought you were doing that. Like Australian cafe, but then they serve a buffet.
Oh, that's where CJ works. I'm going to show your dad where you work.
It's been good. No, I need to get it treated again.
Menu again.
Your beignet here with creme fraiche inside and finger lime on the top. Your garbage one with pepper and smoked ham as well.
Cheers.
Here's
It's really good.
like a sausage
should,
roll. I was gonna say it's fried pastry. So this here is fried pastry, but before they fry the pastry, what they put inside of it is olives, greens, escalette pepper for a little bit of kick, and then some I think it's paprika sprinkled on top, and then cured ham. It's very, very yummy. I really like this one.
Okay. Okay, so can you explain to me again what that is?
So this is raw steak,
And what do you call it?
tartare de bœuf.
Tata de beurre.
Yeah, bœuf meaning like meat, and this is tartare.
And this is
which
just
raw.
potato chips.
Yeah, this is like a waffle chip. So the goal is,
So is this from the packet or do you do that
no, we make this in the kitchen.
from a potato?
Yeah, from the potato.
That's really
So
cool.
we crack the egg yolks like that,
Yeah.
and then we mix it.
You know what that reminds me of?
What?
Sisig. Do you remember
Yeah,
sisig in the
yeah.
Philippines?
This is like sisig but raw.
Yeah, but this one's steak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just let us know. Hey everyone! Like fun bars, cafes, things like that.
Can I decide to try breakfast? So this is the creme brulee.
Yeah.
And you're meant to eat it with this.
No, they just gave this to us.
Ah, so this is free?
It's complimentary.
I thought it came with this.
We only ordered this.
Well, lucky. Lucky we're at the French exit.
As well.
Really? Guys, leche flan. No, this is, how do you pronounce it? Creme brulee. And this is pretty much like our leche flan.
Not as good, but
Yeah, I think leche flan is pretty tough to beat too, isn't
yeah.
it?
I prefer leche flan because I like the texture of the leche flan. This is like a cream almost, right?
You know, you'll be surprised. But I actually like this one better than the creme brulee.
Really? Yeah?
Are you surprised?
No, because I quite like this.
It's pretty
I just
good.
got you the creme brulee because you said you like creme brulee.
Yeah, because I miss leche flan.
I would have gotten the profiteroles. That's my favorite here.
Well, next time I go to the city, I'll message you before I go. So we can try your other favorites.
And yeah, scooters around here that you can use if you need to get somewhere.
Oh, oh, nice here.
Yeah. This is Kangaroo Point. Like
Where?
these cliffs here. That's all Kangaroo Point.
So when you go to the bridge,
Yeah, that bridge just takes you across the river, so you can be on that side instead.
and that's it for the day, guys. Aalis na tayo ng Botanical Garden. I think I'm going to come here another time para mas ma-enjoy natin yung lugar and all that. I guess I can say this day has been successful dahil nagawa natin yung gusto nating gawin. And yeah, bonus na si CJ. See you next time, guys!